Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some problem on time and distance of quadratic equation. Let us take a question. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. If average speed of the train is 11 kilometers more than that of passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Now we need to find out the average speed of the two trains. So let us take the speed of the passenger train be x kilometer per hour. Then the speed of the express train will be what? X plus 11 kilometer per hour. Now we know the relation between time, distance and speed. Time is what? Distance by speed. So time taken by the passenger train is what? The distance is 132 kilometer and speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. So 132 by x hours. And time taken by the express train is 132 by x plus 11 hours. Now, here you have to be very careful. Which one is more? Now, you need to understand the fraction. The denominator is less. It means that quantity is more. Here denominator is x and here the denominator is x plus 11. It means the denominator is less here, or you can understand otherwise the denominator is more. It means the quantity is less. So when we take the difference, we will take more minus less. So here more is what? This denominator is more, it means this quantity is less. So 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1 hour. It is given that the express train takes 1 hour less. Means this express train time taken is 1 hour less. So we'll find. Now this is what you need to understand. Here the students do the problem. So now it's very simple. Now we'll take 132 is common and take LCM x plus 11. So x plus 11 minus x. Now take x into x plus 11 this side and 132 it is 11. So we are getting x square plus 11x minus 1452. So it's the quadratic equation. You can solve it either by factorization or by quadratic formula. Choice is yours. But we'll do it by using the quadratic formula. So here find out a, b and c. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c means constant term. It is minus 1452. So first we will be finding out d, b square minus 4ac. So by computing we get 5929. Here also you need to understand how to find the square root of a number by division method. It's very simple. Square root of a number by division method. So minus 11 plus minus under root 5929 by 2. So we are getting two values. One is 33 and one is minus 44. Since the speed of train cannot be negative, we will reject x is equal to minus 44. So we are taking a speed of the passenger train is 33 and that of the express train is 33 plus 11, that is 44 kilometers. Now we'll be taking another question and this question is very important. What is the question? Two water taps can fill a tank in 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which tap can separately fill the tank. So what we'll do first, you take let that the tap of a smaller diameter takes x hours to fill the tank. So then the larger diameter will take what? X minus 10 hours. Now it is given that both taps take 93 by 8 means 75 by 8 hours to fill the tank. So now we'll be finding out the work in 1 hour. So in 1 hour both can fill 8 by 75 part of this tank. Here you need to understand, say for example, you are doing a work in 4 days. So in 1 day, what part of the work you will do it? 1 by 4. It's very simple. It's just reciprocal. So same way here, it fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours. So in 1 hour, it will fill 8 by 75 part of the tank. Now the question again, so in 1 hour is smaller, will fill 1 by x. The larger diameter tap will fill 1 by x minus 10. So now both together means 1 hour by the smaller tap of the smaller diameter plus tap of larger diameter, both together. So it is given as 8 by 75. Again, we first need to simplify. Take the LCM, x minus 10, x minus 10 plus x. So we are finding that it is 2x minus 10, cross multiply, and then we find that 150x minus 750, 8x square minus 80x. Again, you are getting 8x square minus 230x plus 750. Take 2 common, 4x square minus 115x plus 375. So we have got a quadratic equation now. Again, you need to solve. Choice is yours. You can solve it by quadratic formula also. I am here using factorization. Choice is yours again. So now 4x square, it can be split into 2 parts. So 115, and if you multiply, you get the product of 375 and 4. So now 4x common, x minus 25 minus 15 common, x minus 25. So we are getting 2 factors. It gives us the values as x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 15 by 4. Now we are rejecting this. Why? Because if it takes a 15 by 4, so larger takes 10 hours less, so it becomes negative. So we'll reject this. So we get the answer at tap of a smaller diameter takes 25 hours. So the tap of larger diameter will take 15 hours. One more question we'll see today. Now it's very important again. The question is, we have a motor board that we have done it in pair of linear equation in 2 variables. So here the same question we are going to do it using quadratic formula. A motor boat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Now let us take the speed of the stream be x km per hour. Now here, this type of question, you need to understand this concept. When you go along the stream, so it is known as downstream. And when we go against the stream, then it is known as upstream. So downstream speed gets added with the speed of the stream, and in the upstream it gets subtracted. So speed of boat upstream will be what? 18 minus x. Speed of boat downstream will be what? 18 plus x. It's very, again, the time to travel 24 km upstream. So 24, so same will apply, distance by speed. Here also distance by speed. Again, it is given as what? It takes 1 hour more. Now, which time is more? Which time is less? This denominator is more. It means this time is less. So more minus less is 1 hour. So now again you have to simplify. Take 24 common and take the LCM, and you are getting this 18 is getting cancelled. Cross multiply 24 x 2x, this goes this side, so it is a plus b, a minus b, a square, 18 square is 324 minus x square. So you are getting x square plus 48x minus 324. Again quadratic, you can apply the quadratic formula. A is 1, b is 48, and c is minus 324. So d is b square minus 4ac, it gives you 3600. So you can apply the formula minus b plus minus root d by 2a. So it gives you two values, 6 and minus 54. So you know the speed cannot be negative, so this will reject. So you are getting that speed of the stream is 6 km per hour. So this is few concepts I have taken to clarify your concepts. Now based on this you can do the questions. Thank you very much.